Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I wanted to share with you the project that I have been working on this week. I have been very busy working on this project, and I wanted to share with you, this is a review of the Club Crochet Crocheting 101, How to Crochet for Complete Beginners. I found this website this week, and you can sign up to take this free crochet course. And I've been working through this crochet course just to see what it's like and to see what I thought of it. And I wanted to share it with you. So, first of all, this course, you sign up on the website and it comes with a complete downloadable ebook. It's a complete ebook and it has 10 chapters and 7 projects to work through. And it's 212 pages. It's a very well put together ebook that you can download to keep. And in between each chapter, there are 7 projects that you can use to practice each of the skills that you'll be learning. And at the end of the ebook is a beanie project, which includes all the techniques that you will have learned as you work through the projects. And the PDF, as you go through the PDF, you can read the PDF, but there's videos embedded in it so that you can watch the video, read the PDF, just whatever you need to do as you work through the project. But there's videos, there's tutorials for every project that you'll work on. And I really did like this course. And so the PDF is very well designed. And you can just click on the page number to get to the pages that you want. You don't have to scroll completely up and down and all that. It's just really nice and interactive, and it works very well. So let me just show you some of the projects that I made going through this course. Okay, one of the projects that I made, I think this was in chapter 1, is this Friendship Bracelet. And a lot of it, it's all white, most of it. And he recommended using cotton, so that's what I had available, and that's what I used. So there's this Friendship Bracelet was the first thing that I made. And then the next thing I made was a little mini bow. You learned how to make, I know this is dark, but the little mini bow. And then I made these coasters. I was just going to make one, but I thought it had a little hump here. Maybe I made a mistake or something, but I made 2 of them, and they're both like that. So, but I thought these were neat. He even shows how to put a little loop on there. So it was really neat getting to work through the projects. And one of my favorite projects that I worked on was, look at this. This little poofy looking thing. It's a hacky sack. I got little beans in it. Isn't that neat? I thought that was so cute. So he showed you how to do this sphere, this shape. He does a lot of amigurumi. So really, if you wanted to do some amigurumi, this is a good course to take. And he's got tons of patterns for the amigurumi as you learn more. And then I made this bow tie headband. You can make a tie, but I made the headband for girls. But you can do it as a bow tie, and he'll provide a thing that you can make the thing that goes around your neck for a bow tie. So I thought that was really cute. Let me bring it up a little bit closer. So there was that with the headband, the bow with the headband. And then he showed a granny square. Just a simple cotton granny square. And the reason that I have 2 is he shows how to join in the video. And I wanted to practice my joining, so I made 2. And I joined those. And I still haven't woven in my ends. But so I made 2 granny squares. And he showed some other things too. I'll talk about that in a minute. But now I'm going to show you my big project. So give me a second and I'll be right back with the big project. Now this is the final project that you make. You make this beanie. And then he shows you how to make a little pom-pom that you can sew on it. Mine's not as thick. I could have made it thicker. And I could trim it up a little bit more. But you can make it as thick or as big as you want it to be. But with this beanie, there's two ways you can wear it. You can wear it unfolded. If you fold this down, it would be a slouchy beanie. Or you can wear it this way. I'm gonna unfold it so you can see what it looks like unfolded. Okay, here it is if you want to wear it with the brim down. And if you wore it that way, then it would be like you would wear it as a slouchy beanie. But I used this with some yarn that I bought at the thrift store last week for 69 cents. And I'm going to tell you what the name of it is. Let me get the label. It was Deborah Norville's Everyday Collection Anti-Peeling. And I bought that for 69 cents. And the colorway is Winding River. But another thing that I learned through taking this course, and I've been crocheting for a good while, but one thing that I learned that I've never heard is I've noticed the different ways that people crochet. Some use like the overhanded grip or the underhanded grip when they hold their crochet hook. But one thing that he said is that he called it the spoon grip and the pencil grip. And I would hold mine overhanded like what he would say the spoon grip or the knife grip. But with the pencil grip, that would be good for making larger items like blankets and scarves where you're using the same basic movement rapidly without changing positions. And I thought that was neat because I have seen people who use that type of grip and it does seem like they go so fast. And then the spoon grip or the knife grip is best for your range of movement for your wrist and more strength to pull the yarn through, which is good like if you're doing amigurumi, which is what he does a lot of. So I just wanted to share with you this review of the Club Crochet Crocheting 101, How to Crochet for Complete Beginners. I do recommend it. It's completely free. It'll help you build your skills and you'll have fun making the projects. You'll feel like you're doing something, and it works you through the steps of learning crochet. So it's not like you're just, well, all I'm doing is single crochet or double crochet. You're actually learning to make stuff and how to use the skills. So go on over there and take a look at it if you want to learn how to crochet or you want to build your skills. And you do have to complete each chapter before you can move on to the next chapter to get the to make the project. So I do need to let you know that you do have to work through the course. And then at the very end, there will be a certificate that you can download and print that shows that you did complete the course. So at no cost, doesn't cost anything, free account, you get the free downloadable PDF ebook, and it does keep up with your progress so you can see how much further you've got to go or how much you've already got done. So I do recommend it. Go over there and take a look at clubcrochet.com. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.